Hello guys, here we are with the review of the new Google Pixel Watch 2, a smartwatch that I've been using this last period, and honestly I really enjoy to use it. It's an amazing watch, only one size available, 41mm. There is only 1.2 display AMOLED inside, so you still have a lots of bezel just around here. Honestly, I don't really mind it. You can still use very well. You can see what's inside the watch at all time. As you can see, there is a security code to unlock it. That's also because we have okay, now it was Google. I don't know why there was Google Assistant, but you can actually have Google Pay here. I've been using it for so much. I don't know why it's keep activating Google Assistant. It works very well. It's so nice when you go in the supermarket, buy just a bottle of water, go to the counter and just pay like that without doing anything more. The only things that by mistake, I hate to put the code every single time. By mistake, I just did a swap like that, and I will deleted the card. So just keep the phone always with you, just in case, or you will be on the counter, you don't have the money to pay, because by mistake I've deleted the card, and actually I cannot add if I don't go again on the phone and everything, because it's not an easy process to add the card. I mean, it's an easy process, but you need to do some things on the phone as well. The amazing things of this watch, the vibration is just perfect, the same as the Pixel 8 Pro, and actually the notification sound, they are so perfect. One of the sounds, it's actually when we try to unlock the phone. Now it's not unlocking the phone anymore. I don't understand why. Okay, it doesn't want to unlock it now, but trust me, the sounds are absolutely amazing. We already saw, if you click twice in here, we have the Google Pay. If you go down, we have all the toggle over here. Below, we have the notification. In this side, we can actually have all the like the widget. It's like an infinite loop, so we can go in each side, and we have all these widgets which we can modify from the app, and I will show you in just a second. One click here, we have the entire list of apps. There are infinite apps. We have a Play Store as well, so we can actually download the new app, because we have Wear OS in here. And honestly, thanks to the new processor, the new Qualcomm processor, it's actually working very well. It's everything super fluid. I don't know if the camera is actually show you that, but you see, it's literally an amazing watch on how it works. One thing, when we do that, for example, you have the vibration, it looks like we are actually using something which is inside the phone. I think it's not putting on focus. It's something that we have inside the phone. It's so amazing, the feeling of when we are using that, to be honest. One thing that I did not like it, for example, is that we have two apps to do the same things, which is, one is Google Fit, and another one is the Fitbit Fit. So we have both app to see the our sport, on how we do the sporting and all these things, which is something that it's a bit confusing. Oh, it's just a lock. I will show. I will let you listen the sound. You see, it's so perfect. On this side, we have another button as well. It's for the recent app, as you can see. Great, because yeah, when you start, for example, an exercise, you have the exercise mode in here. There is always on display, so you cannot turn it off actually when you do the exercise. And when you have, for example, the music control on, which is not something automatic inside of the watch face when we are doing the exercise, we can actually press over here and have the music controls as well. And when we have music controls, of course, there is always all the display on. So we have actually the small watch over here and the control, which are like I don't know how can I say, but you can see from the background. What else to say about it? It works well. It's an amazing watch. Battery life, so disappointing. Only 1 day and a half with the use that I did, which is like Google Pay to do like that, to answer some WhatsApp. Actually, when we answer the WhatsApp, we can answer by voice, or even we can type on the watch, because we have a little QWERTY keyboard over here, so we can actually write, or we can also do with swiping. It's comfortable. It's not the best things to do, because anyway the keyboard it's very small, but it's actually good, and we can answer by audio, which is great as well. I'm just moving now on the phone. No? So as you can see, I was doing a Google Vault over here, and now it's on this side. Okay, now I don't want to add anything. To use that, we need to download this app. It is called the Google. It is called Watch. Sorry, not Google Watch. It is called only Google Watch. And over here, it's telling you everything. For example, how to use the ECG. It takes 3 minutes to do it, to check that. I don't know how precise it is, to be honest. Those are the watch faces, but don't worry, there are not too many in here, but on the store there are actually a lot, and we can also modify. We can do edit, and we can modify the watch. As you can see, look how many watch there are over here. Those are really just few of the watches available by default over here, but there are many watch faces. Going behind, there are the tiles, so the widget that I show you before. Notification, the account from Google, the account from Fitbit, the Play Store. I told you before, we have the Play Store here and here, but of course we can install app from here to the watch, and there are many of the watch faces as well, of course. We have the safety emergency, which is so amazing, especially for girl in this period, for women, sorry, for this period, because they can set up the timing that they take to go from one point A from the point B. If you don't go, for example, that point in that time, the watch is start to notify, to send a notification. If you don't touch the notification, of course, it sends the alert to your contacts. Watch preference in general, we can have the auto launch media control. It works very well, especially when you are in the gym. I tried so many times. Display gesture, of course, security, and over is the preference, and we have the system and everything. There should not be any more update. I think I had only one update when I bought the first time. As I told you before, I sync everything with Fitbit. Fitbit app, which we know this is a new one, the new interface. It works very well. This is the time that I have been sleeping. It's very precise. All the sleeping monitoring. This is the time that I was up, and actually it's true, because I was awake at that time. We can see all the exercise as well that I did, like walk, the treadmills, the weights. I've done a few exercises yesterday, today not, but yeah, yesterday I've done a few exercises, and they are actually very precise on how it counts it. Treadmill may be something wrong. It says only 5 kilometers. It's actually I did 5 kilometers, but on the treadmill it was 5 kilometers something, and here it's just a bit less than what it was over there. For the remaining part, yeah, we know Fitbit app, we know it very well. It's a great app, to be honest. What I don't like that with this watch you have actually 6 months of Fitbit premium as well. Once that is finished, you need to pay for Fitbit. It's like £8 per month, or if you pay per year, it's like £80 per year, something like that. And you have more option for Fitbit, for like a personal coach and all this other stuff. I mean, not a personal coach, but you have like a coach on the app. What else? The watch, it costs £340 in this version. There is the LTE version as well, but as I said, if you buy now the Google Pixel 8 Pro, you actually have the watch for free, and you can choose or the normal one or the LTE version. I chose the normal one for a battery life, to be honest, because I think the LTE, it will last even less than this one. Why I will not choose? Only for the battery life. For the remaining, it's actually a perfect watch. I just loved it, and I don't know, if it was not for the battery life, honestly, I wouldn't. I would have it always on my list. So, if you like the video, just like it, or subscribe to my channel if you like. I will post more video in the near future, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye, guys.